In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can recycle your blog post content to get more out of the stuff you've already done. This is a technique I've been doing ever since I started blogging, and I know it's going to help you as well. So let's get to it. First thing you can do with your blog post content is take the text of your blog posts and turn it into quotes and images for social media and other things. Some of the good tools you can use to do this are tools like Canva and Adobe Spark. So if you are thinking of doing this, be sure to use those tools. And also, if you are going to do this, try and use a text that's either italicized or is bolded in your blog post so that people can check it out and it's pretty obvious where it comes from. Second thing you can do is to create new versions of your existing blog content. Some examples of this is to create a live video on Facebook or Instagram. You can also create a YouTube video like what I'm doing right here. And you can also create a podcast. Each of these methods lets you turn your blog post content into new stuff you can use to attract even more people to your brand. Third thing you can do is to use it to create lead magnets. And so if you don't have a lead magnet for your blog, this is definitely something you should get onto right away, because email is one of the best ways that you can use to form a relationship and actually grow your blog with a platform that you actually own. So those are 3 ways you can recycle your blog post content, but you may be wondering, how do I even start a blog? And you might not even have a blog. Well, in that case, I have a free checklist with the 5 tools you need to get started with your blog today. Just check it out. The link is down below in the description. If you like this video, leave a like, comment below, and also don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any more of these daily vlogs. This is daily vlog, I think, number 3. Yep, daily vlog number 3. And I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you in daily vlog number 4.